What if I told you that translating in your head is the real reason you are stuck? But in a few minutes, I'm going to show you how to stop thinking in your native language and finally start thinking in English. Not tomorrow, not next week, today. Hey everyone, this is Naren and welcome back to a new session of English with me. Today, I'm going to help you with something powerful. I can make you think in English. Yes, not just speak, not just understand, but actually think in English naturally. And believe me, once you start thinking in English, speaking English will become more easy, fast, and natural. So this is the first part of my new series, I Can Make You Think in English. In every part, we will go deeper and make your English thinking faster, easier, and more natural. So don't miss any part. If you're ready, let's get started. First, let's understand why thinking in English is so important. Most people struggle because they are still translating in their head. Thinking directly in English removes that extra step. Just think about something in your native language and try to translate that to English. Or I'll ask you a question. Tell me about your best friend. Now try to think that in your native language first. Okay, now translate each and every word into English. How does it feel? It's like an extra step. Now try thinking the answer directly in English without translating from your native language. Just try to say or think the answer however you can in English. Don't worry about the mistakes or any grammar issues or any vocabulary problems. Just think the answer however you can in English. Now it's easier, right? You are avoiding that extra step of translation and you can directly think in English and you can speak faster in English. It feels like click, direct connection between your mind and your mouth. Now, how I'm going to help you think in English? Here's the plan. Easy, simple steps you can do every day. In fact, you can do some of it right now. I'll help you practice thinking in English right now. But before that, let's see what I'm going to do. First, name things around you in English. Just look around your room and think table, chair, window, book. Just think, don't say it aloud. Just think it and train your brain. Usually, I always say to say your answers out loud, but this time I want you to train your brain to think in English. So, look around your room, name the objects around your room, not loudly, just think it. The second idea is to talk to yourself in English. I'm going to cook lunch now. Oh, where's my phone? Let me take a video. Tiny sentences in your mind all day. That's another trick. Just think about what you are doing. When you are about to chat with your friend, okay, let me chat with my friend. Or let me drink a glass of water. Like that. Whatever you are doing, try to think that in English. Make tiny sentences, little sentences in your brain. Try to think what you are doing in English. Another idea is to picture English words. When you think of an object, or let's take an example, apple. When you think of an apple, don't imagine the word apple in your language. Imagine the image of an apple and the English word apple attached to it. Just imagine an apple and the word apple in English just below it. Try to picture English words. Now this is a bonus tip. Use simple English. Don't make it hard. Simple English equals easy thinking equals faster learning. So always try to make simple sentences in English. In the beginning, in the initial stages, you can speak fluently using these simple sentences. Actually, you don't always need very big vocabularies, very huge words to speak English. You can just use simple words, simple phrases and speak English fluently. Now let's start our practice. Simple, quick practice together. I'll show you a few pictures. Don't say anything out loud, just think in English. Think the word in English immediately, okay? It's very important. You should be very quick, you should be fast. I'll show you some pictures. You should think the word in English immediately. How fast did you recognize the words? That's your brain starting to think in English. Awesome! You did great with a quick picture practice. Now let's take it one step further. Let's answer 4 different types of questions in English in your mind. I'll ask you a question, give you maybe 5 to 10 seconds to think and answer in your mind. Ready? Do you like pizza? Do you like pizza? Did you answer in English? Maybe yes, I love pizza, or no, I don't like it. Great job. Second question, where do you live? Where do you live? Maybe you thought I live in Dubai or I live in a small town. Perfect. Simple, natural English thinking. Third question, tea or coffee? Tea or coffee? Your brain should have picked one fast. I prefer coffee or I like tea. Quick choices build quick English thinking. Question number 4. What did you eat for breakfast today? What did you eat for breakfast today? Maybe you thought I ate eggs and toast or I had only coffee today. Simple, true answers. That's the goal. See, you are already thinking faster in English. If you practice this every day, a few minutes, your mind will naturally shift to English without much effort. You know what? This is just the beginning. In part 2, we will go even deeper. I'll teach you how to think in English even when you are tired or busy or in any situation. Stay tuned for part 2. So guys, this is all for today. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll be back with a new video soon. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Bye.